Are you interested in drawing? Do you want to impress your friends, colleagues, relatives, and loved ones by sketching charming figures? Are you curious about sketching stylish and attractive manga? Do you want to be an expert at drawing shoujo manga? If so, HowExpert Press presents for you How to Draw Shojo Manga. A step-by-step guide makes its readers perfect at drawing shoujo manga. The unique features of this book include easiest and quickest way to master shoujo manga drawings. Contains master key points leading amateurs to be adept at creative and artistic skills. Describes each and every figure in detail. Contains step-by-step guidelines along with various illustrations. A guide using easy and simple language. Neat and clear images presented in an understandable way. Shining lamp leading aspirants to a creative world. Teaches harmoniously. Follow this guide thoroughly and understand its genuine instructions. Undoubtedly, you will be able to draw different styles and postures of shoujo. Various types of shiny, glittering, diamond-like, attractive eyes of shoujo. Cute, beautiful, and pretty faces of shoujo. Smart, slim, tall, and fit bodies of shoujo. Many shapes of ears of shoujo. Various hairstyles of shoujo. Different types of shining and stylish clothes of shoujo, and much more. All about shoujo manga.